Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen, and I'd like to introduce to you our 2015 Volkswagen Jetta Highline manual. This vehicle is fully loaded for a Highline, so it has all of the tech. Nice black exterior finish with the black leather seats. The passenger seats are fully adjustable. You do have your height adjustment, forward and aft adjustment, backrest adjustment. Coming to the rear here, you got a lot of leg space, along with a nice two-level deck area here with a 12-volt outlet. This vehicle does have a sunroof, and it's a quick image here at the front. Coming around now to the cargo capacity. Very similar to the newer style Jettas. A lot of space, left and right cutouts are available too as well, with a 60-40 split of the rear seats to allow for extra cargo capacity into the cabin. Nice rims as well. Coming around now to the driver's seat here. You'll notice all of your window switches. All of these are fully automatic, so one click to roll up and roll down all the windows. You do have your mirror switches there as well. Jumping on into the interior of this car, you'll notice all of your cruise controls and volume controls on the left. You got your media and dashboard controls on the right. This vehicle currently sitting at 166,304 kilometers, and it has a couple of safety features like front assist, rear traffic alert, blind spot. You also do have navigation in this vehicle. That's a quick image of the backup camera. Bluetooth is available too as well with full out audio streaming. Some people have asked me what this slot here is for underneath the screens. That is actually for an SD card. If you could put music on an SD card, you could put the SD card in there and you could play your songs. You got full dual zone climate control. Left and right side do have different temperatures available to them. You have your heated seats. Down low you have your auxiliary 12-volt outlet, and you have the 5-speed manual here that this vehicle comes with. Push to start is still available in this car. You got that full-out manual handbrake, and a quick image here of the center console box. Nice touch too. You do have Fender premium audio in this car. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly introduce to you our 2015 Volkswagen Jetta Highline 5-speed manual. Comes with all the tech features, tech package, tech safety features that you could be looking for. Please give us a call here at Valley Volkswagen if you have any questions. We look forward to helping you soon. Thanks.